Hey guys, it's your girl Trisha B, and today I want to talk to you about dropshipping versus wholesale. Now, if you're interested in starting a dropshipping business or your own boutique online, then this is a video you want to stay tuned and watch. So here we are, guys. Today in this video, we're going to discuss dropshipping versus wholesale with Trisha B. So let's go ahead and get right started. Okay, so the first method we're going to talk about is the dropshipping method. Now, this is one of the easiest ways to start earning money online. Okay, so number one, you have to find a product. Now, that can be a jewelry, clothes, electronics, anything that you see that is maybe hot selling or something that you have interest in or do your research on. Okay, so find your product. You post your product on your website, and then after you post it on your website, you want to go ahead and promote your website and the products that you posted. Okay, then number two, your customers will see your ads and your posts about your website and about your items and decide to buy. Then you will get paid first. Okay, so then number three, you'll put your order in with your vendor. Okay, number four, your vendor will ship the product to your customers. 5, you will keep the profits. Yay! All right, break bread. 6, you will go ahead and repeat 1 through 5, which is very simple, guys, right? That sounds simple. So basically, I post a product on a website and I promote it, and then customers see it, and then the vendors actually do the shipping for me, right? And then in the end, you keep your profit after you have bought the item from your vendor. Excuse me. You have to buy the item from your vendor, and then what's left, that is your profit. All right, so it's really simple. And the next method we're going to talk about is the wholesale method. Okay, now with this, you'll pick a selling product that, like, say you've had a website already, or you know about some hot trending items that's selling, or you just gambling. Sometimes you take chances with items as well. But you pick a selling product and you buy it in bulk. So you buy it up front and you get it shipped to yourself. All right, so you'll actually have these items on hand, and then you'll take pictures or post pictures on your website, and then you will go ahead and promote your website again with your product. And then number 3, customers will see the ads and buy. You get paid. All right. 4, now you will need to package and ship the product to your customer yourself, and you are responsible for the shipping cost, and make sure you add this cost to the product price or the shipping cost for your customer. That's very important, guys. If you're gonna be responsible for the shipping, you might want to add that to your website product price, or just the regular shipping for the customer. All right, and then, like I said, keep the profit. And 6, repeat 1 through 5 once again. All right, and that's wholesale, the wholesale method. Okay, so drop shipping versus wholesale. As you can see, this is why I decided that drop shipping was the best for me and why I recommend it for beginners. Okay, so the reason why that is it's no upfront fees. The vendor will ship your items for you. You really actually don't need a website or have to have paid traffic needed to start with drop shipping, guys. Okay, and there is little to no business expense with drop shipping. All right, so do the research, guys. If paying for training is out of your budget, if you're on a zero budget and you just need to use your resources, guys, Google and YouTube should be your friend if you're on a zero budget to actually invest in yourself and build a business for yourself. Okay, so definitely do your research, and do your research on your products and items that you want to sell as well. Okay, so let's work together. Are you ready to get started now but don't know where to start? Well, that's why we have created a Facebook group that you need to join. All right, so the group is called Royal Pay Habits Group, and what's included is you will get a vendor list and training. So not only will you get a list of where you can buy your lashes, buy your hair, buy your clothes, the shoes. What we do is we get items at a discounted price, and we're able to upsell, and that's how we make our money. Okay, so vendor list is what you need to drive a drop shipping business. Okay, so I want you to know why a vendor list is even an important thing to have in a drop shipping business. Okay, so you need your vendor list, and I'm also going to give you training on that, guys, and I'm also going to give you a list that I've used and a training on how you can find your own vendors. And that's really important too, because sometimes you may not be interested in what the products that I offer, and you may want to outsource on some other products, and that's totally fine, and I want to show you how you can actually get that done as well. Okay, yeah, so I also give you a drop shipping and boutique training. Okay, so if you are interested in starting a boutique after you get your drop shipping thing going, and you're liking it, you're loving it, and you're like, wow, I kind of want my own store, my own website, because I actually show, which I'm going to get to in a minute, how you don't need a website, but you actually can transition and expand and grow your business into an actual boutique or store or online store, and I give you training on that as well. Okay, and then I also give you a fast start guide, guys. So it's like 3 videos. Seriously, it's this how easy drop shipping is, guys. It's like 3 videos, and it's going to give you everything you need to actually start right now to start drop shipping and start posting products and getting eyeballs on your products to make sales. Okay, that's my fast start guide. Okay, and next is the no website, no paid traffic method that I have. Okay, so I show you how you don't need a website and you won't need to use paid advertising to start off with this, guys. So if you seriously don't have a whole bunch of money to start, then I'm going to show you how you don't have to spend a whole bunch of money out of pocket starting out with drop shipping. All right, and excuse me, now my voice is cracking. Okay, and more updated strategies and tips I will be doing inside this video. Okay, inside this video, not this video, but in the videos inside the group. I'll be giving more updated strategies and tips. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, the cost of this group is $100 one time. You get full access to the Royal Pay Habits group training. You're gonna get everything, guys, anything you need. And I mean, it's a community, right? It's full of people with good vibes who's looking to learn how to make money online. And sometimes you need that, sometimes that's what it's about. We have so much other stressors in our day-to-day lives, and sometimes it's good to be able to be building on yourself, working on yourself, and giving something back to yourself, and surrounding yourself by people who's going to motivate you and push you to do just a little bit better, right? So this is what this group is about. If you're ready to get started, I'm going to go ahead and tell you to click the link below this video. All right, it's going to be right under the video, and it's going to show you how you can get started with this group. Okay, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you can see why drop shipping versus wholesale, how drop shipping for beginners will be better than wholesale, in my opinion. Some may say otherwise. It definitely depends on your budget, but yeah, I don't want to ramble too much on the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.